watching. This video is about my weekly giveaway. Each week I give away an internet marketing gift, and it is a gift. It's 100% free, no strings attached, no email required. This week's gift is PLR Success Shortcut, and it is exceptional. If you're not familiar with PLR, that stands for Private Label Rights, and private label rights are amazing, sensational. You won't believe how good this is until you see it. I want to talk about that a little bit more, but first allow me to share this funny story with you that I'm sure you're going to enjoy. It's about Zach, and Zach is a real estate salesman, and it's Sunday, and he's been with this couple, escorting this couple by the name of Gloria and Nate Nelson. He's been escorting them, showing them several houses for sale. Every house that he shows them, they seem as if they're real interested. They have lots of good things to say about the home, but Zach is an experienced salesman, and so far he knows there's really no connection, that spark, that real enthusiasm, that real sincere interest is not there. He knows, because he's experienced, he knows that the interest that they're showing is superficial. He's been asking all the right questions, realizes that he's just not getting any closer to helping them to find the home that they want. And of course, that also means he's not getting any closer to making a sale. So they walk into like the fifth home, and he said, now this home has a hobby room. Gloria, Nate, do you have any hobbies? And Gloria says, yes, we do. They said, well, great, let's go to the hobby room. So on the way to the hobby room, Zach asked Gloria, and what is your hobby? Gloria responds, I love looking at homes that are for sale on Sundays. So let's get back to my giveaway. The giveaway is PLR Success Shortcut, or a PLR license. You can get a PLR license for free or for paid, and you can get that on like articles, ebooks, software, videos, audio, and graphics. And these rights allow you to reuse these items, and often you can reuse them as your own. Often you can resell them, keep all the money, and depending on the rights, sometimes you can alter the content and even claim the content as your own content. My experience with PLR is primarily for building a list. It's to use PLR as an incentive to build a list. It's a way for you to give somebody something of value, such as an ebook or some software or whatever it might be, in exchange for their email address. PLR is a real time saver, and in my opinion, it's something that is kind of a perfect option for beginners. PLR Shortcut is going to help you to understand how you can use PLR, how you can benefit PLR, all the different ways that you have available to benefit from PLR, and so on, of course the steps that you can take in order to benefit from PLR. And I do want to add that, in my opinion, this week's giveaway is one of the best. It's one of the best ebooks that I have seen about PLR. PLR Success Shortcut does come, you're not just going to get the ebook, you're also going to get e-covers. You're going to get a sales letter. The sales letter is really a great sales letter, because you can use the sales letter as the basis for your sales page. You can use it as a basis for an email. You can use it as a basis for an article, for a blog post, and so on. It also, of course, comes with resale rights, especially as far as how you can use it and how you can benefit from it. So I'm sure you're going to enjoy this week's PLR. Let me give you the link to that. The link to that is https://Cutley, cutt.ly/PLR-success. If you like this video, I certainly hope you do. If you find any value in it, give it a big thumbs up if you would. I'd appreciate that. Hit that like button, and while you're at it, if you haven't subscribed, for goodness sake, smash the subscribe button, ring the bell, and that way you're not going to miss these videos. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I appreciate you. Allow me to wish you much success.